I'm going to share 5 top tips for perfect AI work productivity. Whether you're managing emails, creating reports, organizing your tasks, or simply looking to streamline your daily workflow, these tips will help you leverage AI to work smarter, not harder. Let's go. Tip 1. Automate repetitive work. Streamline your workflow by automating repetitive tasks. Use AI-powered email filters to automatically sort and categorize your inbox, or utilize AI scheduling tools to efficiently find optimal meeting times across multiple calendars. This frees up significant time for more strategic and creative work, allowing you to focus on high-impact projects. Tip 2. Fast research and summaries. Quickly find and summarize complex information with AI tools. Research topics, analyze extensive data sets, and generate comprehensive reports in a fraction of the time. AI-powered search engines can rapidly summarize lengthy articles, extracting key points, while AI data analysis tools can identify hidden trends and patterns within large datasets. This saves valuable time and effort in information processing and analysis. Tip 3. Improve content and comms. Enhance your writing and presentations with AI assistance. Let AI writing tools help draft professional emails, detailed reports, or compelling marketing copy. Use AI grammar and style checkers to ensure polished and error-free text. AI presentation tools can automatically generate visually engaging slides and infographics, saving you time on design. Tip 4. Organize tasks and deadlines. Manage tasks and deadlines effectively with AI task management tools. AI can automatically prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and track project milestones and deadlines in real time. Receive automated reminders and progress reports, helping you stay focused and organized across multiple projects. Tip 5. Data insights and decisions. Analyze data and make informed choices with AI analytics tools. Identify complex trends, patterns, and correlations within your data using AI data visualization tools, which create interactive charts and graphs. Use AI predictive analytics to forecast future trends and make data-driven decisions that improve business outcomes and strategic planning. And that's it. 5 tips to boost your work productivity with AI. Remember, AI assists, it doesn't replace your skills. Use it to automate, research, create, manage, and analyze, and you'll be more efficient and data-driven. Happy working! And thanks for watching.